Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Today I'm doing a clean with me video. It is a deep cleaning, speed cleaning edition downstairs. So I'm cleaning the entire house downstairs, and I will be doing one upstairs as well in a future video. And I'm so excited to share. I'm so honored that I'm working with Grow Collaborative on this video. They're a scheduled delivery service that provides eco-friendly and non-toxic products that are safe for the family and the household. And the best part, I'll link it down below, but when you sign up for Grow Collaborative and you spend a minimum of $20, you can get this kit right here. You get the brush, the hand soap, the multi-surface spray, and the dish soap. And I got to pick the Mrs. Meyer's geranium scent because you guys know I've been talking about the geranium scent for years. And so you guys get an opportunity to try it. How exciting. So of course, every time I know that it's a deep cleaning day for the house, I always do laundry first because I feel like I'm multitasking. The laundry's getting done while I'm doing other things, and over here I'm just cleaning the entire downstairs bathroom. And I wanted to chat with you more about Grove Collaborative. So they have a VIP program, and the VIP trial gives you free shipping on your first shipment and any shipment you place for 60 days after you join. And you get unlimited free shipping, a free full-size gift, their price match guarantee, and amazing personal service. And VIP renews for just $19.99, which is 50% off at the end of your trial. And as you guys can see, I've been using the Grove Collaborative products and they are amazing. I really enjoyed the real simple window cleaner. I've never used that before, and it works so incredible on glass. It shines it so beautifully. So over here I just moved on to the kitchen. I'm just tidying up, picking up random toys here and there because you know, mom life, there's always a toy where you least expect it. Let's just be real. So I am putting away clean dishes and drying them off. And then when I do that, I usually do more dishes because I always like to keep the sink empty if I possibly can. Oh, and did you guys see how I drank some water? You guys gotta stay hydrated because let me tell you, it is a workout deep cleaning the house. So here, you guys see, I am just putting some dirty dishes in the dishwasher to clean. And I always like to use a little bit of dish soap, the Mrs. Meyer's one I'm using, and that's a geranium scent. And I like dish soap and just a sponge to clean off everything. You guys have to smell it. Like, it just smells so good. And Grow Collaborative also has microfiber cloths, and they work really well in cleaning the home. They gave me 2, which is really nice. And as you guys can see, I have to use a stepping stool. I am 5 feet tall. I am like team short. And that means you just have to have a handy stepping stool for everything. And all of those things that was drying on that rack, they're dry now, so I went ahead and I put them away. And I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner and geranium, my favorite scent. And I was just wiping down the entire kitchen with that. And now I am shining our dining room table. Gotta clean Jakey's high chair as well. I just use soap and water for that, or like a spray. And here I'm just cleaning the fireplace. And you guys, we really want to redecorate the fireplace, you know, right over there, but we don't really know. I'm not like a home decor person. I'm really trying, but it just doesn't come naturally. So that area, oh my gosh, that's where we put all of our stuff. It just ends up becoming the place where you put all your stuff, and I always have to clean that area up. And this is pretty much what the morning looks like. Like, the house looks like a mess, toys everywhere, but thank goodness I can just put it in that ottoman and hide everything. We bought that on the Bassett store. We actually went in, we got to pick the fabric because you can pick different fabrics and things like that. So here I'm just cleaning the living room. Oh, and by the way, ever since we remodeled the house and did the new flooring and stuff, we got rid of our carpet and it looks empty. I feel like we should add carpet again. Oh, you guys, this piano is so special. It's a family heirloom Justin got from his grandmother, and it's like 100 years old. So as you saw, I was vacuuming up and down the stairs, and now I'm vacuuming the entire house instead of sweeping. I like vacuuming because it just sucks up all the dirt, and I just just went ahead and vacuumed the carpet downstairs in the guest bedroom, and then I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's like pretty much all solution with some water to mop. And you guys, porcelain floors are so easy to clean. It just slides off any stain or anything. Just, oh, and the Mrs. Meyer's geranium smells amazing. It smells like a spring house, like a clean spring house. If you've ever wondered how to get your house to smell good, and like not like a gross like perfume chemically scent, but a really fresh smelling scent, get geranium. That is just, it's the best. So as you can see, the entire house downstairs, of course, is nice and clean. It smells fresh and so clean. And I really enjoyed doing this clean with me video. If you guys enjoy these videos, just like cleaning with me, please give the video a thumbs up and definitely shop at Grove Collaborative. Remember, if you spend a minimum of $20, you get this kit, which is amazing. Definitely try it out. And if anything, you guys have to try Mrs. Meyer's geranium from Grove Collaborative. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!